Hello learner, hello student, this is Manisha Tomar and today we will discuss some important questions of the chapter Modern Periodic Table with their solutions in depth. These questions are very important for you, so just watch this video up to the end. Dear students, our first question contains 3 questions. State modern periodic law. You have to mention about the modern periodic law. Second one is the name the scientist who stated the law. आपको साइंटिस्ट का नेम बताना है. And third one is the how many groups and periods does modern periodic table have. As you know that our modern periodic table consists vertical and horizontal rows and columns, and those are called groups and periods. So how many periods and groups are present in the modern periodic table? That is, you know very well this question. This is a very simple question. Number of groups are 18 and number of periods are 7. Name the scientist who stated the law. That is Moseley. Modern periodic law is modified by the Moseley. And state modern periodic law. So here are written answers of all these 3 questions. The modern periodic law states that the properties of elements are the periodic function of their atomic numbers. First answer. Second, Henry Moseley put forward the modern periodic law, and the third answer is modern periodic table has 3 periods and 18 groups. So thank you so much for watching these questions. Our second question is, what are horizontal rows and vertical columns in a periodic table? Known as horizontal rows are known as the periods, and vertical columns in the periodic table are called groups. So we have 7 horizontal rows which are called periods and 18 vertical columns which are called periods. Our third question is, periodicity is observed due to the similar number of valence electrons or atomic number or electronic configuration. So periodicity is observed due to the similar electronic configurations of the elements. So its answer will be electronic configuration, similar electronic configuration. Fourth question is, how does electronic configuration in atoms changes? Number 1, in a period from left to right, and in a group top to bottom. So first answer of is in a period from left to right. Electronic configuration atoms in from left to right, we have seen number of cells will be same but number of electrons will be increases. So answer of question number 1 is, though the number of cells remains the same, number of valence electrons increases one by one as we move across any given period from left to right. But in case of groups, here number of cells will be increases. With increase the number of cells in each period, electrons will be same in the same cell. So answer of second question is, while going from up to down, yani top to down in a group, the number of cells increases successively one by one, but the number of valence electrons remains same. Question number 5 is, name 2 elements in each case. Number 1, first case is the alkali metals. Alkali metals are sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium. You can write any 2. Sodium, potassium. The symbol of sodium is Na, while symbol of potassium is K. Okay. Second question is, alkaline earth metals are. Second group elements are called alkaline earth metal. So alkaline earth metals are calcium, magnesium, helium. You can write any 2. Next question is, halogens. Halogens group 17 elements. Group 17 elements are called halogens, like fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine. So you can write any two: fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine. These four are called halogens, so you can write any two. Inert gases. The 18 group elements are called inert gases, and the inert gases are helium, neon, argon. Helium, neon, argon. Answer of this question is helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon and radon. So you can write any two names of these questions. In this question, this is a very simple and straightforward direct question, so you can write all the answers of this question very easily. Question number 6. Elements of group first and elements of group 17 both have valency 1. Explain. This is a long question, so you have to learn this question in explanatory way. So answer of this question is valency is the combining capacity of the atom of an element. As you know that valency क्या होती है, valency को कैसे define करेंगे, तो valency is the combining capacity of an atom. जितनी किसी एटम्स की वैलेंसी होती है वो उतने ही इलेक्ट्रॉन्स की शेयरिंग कर सकता है या डोनेट कर सकता है या एक्सेप्ट कर सकता है. इट इज़ इक्वल टू द नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स एन एटम कैन डोनेट और एक्सेप्ट और शेयर. इट इज़ जस्ट ए नंबर एंड डज नॉट हैव ए पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव साइन. हमेशा वैलेंसी पे आप लोग गलती क्या करते हैं, बहुत सारे लोग गलती करते हैं कि वैलेंसी के सामने उसको सिंबल से दिखाते हैं -1 +1. सो देयर इज़ नो नीड ऑफ एनी साइन. वैलेंसी कभी भी पॉजिटिव या नेगेटिव नहीं होती है. ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव होती है बट वैलेंसी नहीं होती है. सो यू जस्ट राइट इफ़ एनी एटम हैज़ द वैलेंसी 1 देन यू हैव टू राइट जस्ट 1. ओके. इन group 1 elements have one valence electrons in their outermost orbital, while group 17 elements have 7 electrons in their outermost shell. Here is the 70. Okay, 7 electron in their outermost orbital. So valency depends on the number of electrons in the outermost shell. That is called valence shell. If the number of electrons present in the outermost shell is 1, then it can donate 1 electron while combining with other elements to obtain a stable electronic configuration. As we know that group first elements contains 1 electron in their outermost shell, so they have the tendency to donate that electron, and that's why they have 1 valency. While in case of halogens they contain 7 electrons, so they have the tendency to gain 1 electron to stable their electronic configuration. So in both cases, in group first and group 17, both cases, first group has the 1 valency as well as 17 group also has the 1 valency. If the number of electrons present in the outermost shell is 7, then its valency is again 1. 8 minus 7 is equal to 1. Means here electron accept हो रहा है and फर्स्ट केस में इलेक्ट्रॉन डोनेट हो रहा है, मीन्स लूज हो रहा है. सो गिवन पीरियड द नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स इन द वैलेंस यानी आउटर मोस्ट सेल इंक्रीजेस फ्रॉम लेफ्ट टू राइट. फर्स्ट और 17 लास्ट होता है, तो यहाँ पे हम क्या देखते हैं, इन पीरियड नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स कंसिस्टेंटली क्या होते हैं, इंक्रीज होते रहते हैं फ्रॉम लेफ्ट टू राइट, फ्रॉम फर्स्ट ग्रुप टू 18 ग्रुप कंटिन्यूसली. Cell increases from left to right, but the valency increases only up to group 14. हम देखते हैं कि फर्स्ट वैलेंसी इंक्रीज होती है जब तक इलेक्ट्रॉन 14 होते हैं. 14 मीन्स कार्बन ग्रुप, एंड उसके बाद वैलेंसी डिक्रीज होना स्टार्ट हो जाती है. फर्स्ट ग्रुप के एलिमेंट्स की वैलेंसी 1 होती है, सेकेंड ग्रुप 2 होता है, थर्ड ग्रुप 13 ग्रुप. बीच में नोबल गैस ट्रांजिशन एलिमेंट्स को हम स्किप कर देते हैं. तो 13 ग्रुप की जो वैलेंसी होती है वो 3 होती है, 14 ग्रुप की 4 होती है. उसके बाद 15 ग्रुप की वैलेंसी 3 एंड 16 की 2 एंड 17 की 1 एंड लास्ट ग्रुप जो कि इनर्ट गैसेज और नॉर्मल गैस होती है उनकी वैलेंसी 0 होती है. It is become 1. So to find the stable electronic configuration of group first element, they lose 1 electron, so they have 1 valency, and 17 group elements has take 1 electron, so they have valency 1 also. फर्स्ट ग्रुप लॉस ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन से है 1 वैलेंसी, और लास्ट ग्रुप 17 ग्रुप गेन ऑफ 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन से वैलेंसी. सो आई होप ये क्वेश्चन आपकी समझ में आया होगा.